In the following, let's take a look at how we can assign practitioners to your clients. Now keep in mind, if you're using word practitioner and you have a tutoring company, for example, practitioners will be tutors and clients will probably be students. So if you are a tutoring company, let's take a look at how we can assign tutors to your students using a bulk tool. So we can do it very quickly. So first we're going to go to our students list. From the main menu, we select Students and Students List. Now you will see here a table of your students. Let's take a look at which tutors are currently assigned to these students. So by doing that, we can go to the column visibility icon on the top right. And you'll notice that there is a column option called Assigned. Let's click on Assigned. Now let's just click in the table area. And you will see that in fact we have a list of tutors assigned to each of our students. I'm just going to bring down the size of the main menu so that we have more real estate to work with. And you will see there, for example, if we scroll down, we can see that Funnel Client currently has Joanne assigned to their account. But let's say, for example, they have no tutors assigned. So I'm just going to click on Funnel Client, choose Assign Tutors and hit Submit. And I'm going to say Clear Assigned Tutors, yes. And what I'm going to do here in this demonstration is I'm going to use geocoding. So for this student called Funnel Client, I know it's not very original, I apologize. What we will be doing is we will be using the geocodes, the geographic coordinates that are saved on their file. And we've previously saved that via their address information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this student called Funnel Client. Under the Select dropdown, I'm going to choose Assign Tutors. And I'm going to go now to the top right of the page under Assign Type. And I'm going to choose geolocation. Now, if you do not want to use geolocation, you can either use zip code or postal code, city, state, or country, whichever works best for the type of data that you're storing for your students or clients. I'm going to choose geolocation, and then I'm going to hit Submit. And what you will notice is there will be a small icon showing that it's working. It was very fast. And now when we look under the Funnel Client, we will see that Samantha Worth, Christopher Binns, and Joanne Prettyton has now been assigned to this student. So this is a bulk tool. This allows us to very quickly, based on the assign type we chose, in this case geolocation, the system will automatically go out and see which other tutors meet the requirement. Now for geolocation, we look at either 16 miles or 25-kilometer radius from the student. And when we do by zip code, we are looking at either a full match or the first 3 characters of the zip code or postal code match. So it's a partial match. And we will assign those tutors to those students. And then obviously for city, state, and country, we look at an exact match. And you don't only have to do one at a time. You could do a whole list of students. Like here, I've just selected the checkbox in the upper header of this table. It selects everybody, and you can very quickly find all the geolocation. By geolocation, you can find all those tutors that are within that geolocated area for each individual student.